Hi, I'm Katie Halcrow with Power Up Prep, and I'm super excited today to take you through some tips and strategies to help you power up your ACT. If this is your first time with us, first, welcome. Second, check out the link below. There, you're going to find the ACT questions and the note sheets that you can do along with these videos. All right, so let's get those materials together, and we're going to be ready to power up. Okay, so we've talked about two specific types of content questions. Now we're going to talk about two more. And both of these have to do with deletion, revision, or addition, but in two different ways. So the first one is sentence addition, deletion, or revision questions. These are going to be in yes, yes, no, no form, just like the one we talked about before. So just like the one we talked about before, if it's in yes, yes, no, no form, we're not going to decide on yes or no first. First, we're going to go to the explanation to see which one is correct. But there are two big hints for this. So you definitely want to read all the explanations, figure out which ones make sense. But if you're unsure, or just a tip to know, is that if the answer is yes, delete, or no, don't add. So like if we're thinking about adding this sentence or thinking about deleting the sentence, if the answer is yes, do delete it, or no, do not add this sentence, then the reason, so the explanation, will either say it repeats information that's already given in the passage, or it will say that it is not on topic, so it's off topic. So it repeats information that's already been given, or it's not relevant to this part of the essay. So those will be one of the two reasons if yes, delete, or no, don't add is part of your answer. Okay, so then there's another type of sentence deletion, sentence revision question, and this is sentence deletion, essay would lose, and sentence revision, essay would gain. So you're going to see that in the question type like you do here. So for these questions, what you're going to do is read the sentence that's going to be revised or deleted, and then choose the answer choice that best summarizes that sentence. So you want to match what is going on in that sentence that you're either deleting or revising to an answer choice. So you're just finding an exact match or summary. So for sentence deletion, essay would lose, or sentence revision, essay would gain, you're reading that sentence and then you're deciding what that sentence does, and then you're picking an answer choice that matches that or summarizes it. All right, let's get to some more practice. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below. We love to hear from you. Also, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of our curriculum or other tips and tricks that can help you power up your ACT.